tends to think in terms of binary opposites, us and them, right and wrong, light and dark. Being able to find light in darkness at different times in our lives is a fundamental need that we all share. Perhaps it's the most important art of all in life. But sometimes it comes out of immense heartbreak. But it's an art that can resolve so much conflict, both within ourselves and in the world around us.
Close your eyes and see the light within the darkness.
Bitch, let it go down, she a head case. The way I lock shit down, they arrest it. Boy, I don't fuck around like a lesbian. Trust a bad bitch, hang around like a bestie. Got plenty work out, trying to stretch it. One little thing out, that's my necklace. I'ma need no prop, turn up next shit. My swinging, son with pop, y'all. Shit on my love, down at the top, love, shit at that.
Peace, those who come at life from the heart, rather than this dualistic way of thinking.